Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your work devices with CrowdStrike, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by installing CrowdStrike on your work devices. Visit the CrowdStrike website to download the software. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Once downloaded, locate the installation file and double-click to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch CrowdStrike on your device. Sign in using your work credentials. If you don't have credentials, contact your IT department for assistance. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Configure your settings according to your organization's security policies. Enable real-time protection to ensure your device is constantly monitored. Run a system scan to check for any existing threats. Review the scan results and address any identified vulnerabilities. Set up automatic updates to keep your software current. Regularly review security alerts provided by CrowdStrike. If necessary, consult with your IT department for any flagged issues. Educate yourself on best security practices to complement the software. Make sure to report any security incidents immediately. Continue to monitor your device's performance and protection status regularly. By following these steps, you will enhance the security of your work devices with CrowdStrike. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.